Can you think of one challenge that we are stepping into? Anybody at this point of time? Correct. That's on everybody's mind. It's there across every industry. At a very macro level, the world itself is going through huge changes. There seems to be a new geopolitical structure evolving, though we don't know what happens. There are noteworthy changes in technology and how we use it. All of you know it as AI. This will dramatically change industries. As educators, we are at the forefront of shaping the minds that will navigate this evolving landscape. In this day, an AI-powered tool can write essays, solve problems, generate lesson plans, build videos, generate content and lifelike pictures, actually teach children in a way that is not just personalized but hyper-personalized. In the future, we'll be entering a world where the routine and mundane tasks will be carried out by the AI, right? But we need to navigate this new world for our children and navigate it for us. And for that, what will we need? The usual things, the critical thinking, problem solving. You need to memorize the right answers but ask the right questions, right? Creativity and innovation. Machines follow algorithms, machines imagine possibilities. But there is another aspect, you have to train that machine. Emotional intelligence will be key for the success of any individual, society, or the country. Digital literacy and ethical tech use will be the make or break of our society. And the most important thing which we really need to drive in is empathy. Empathizing with your fellow human and not being a tech machine or a robot will be key. So going forward, students will be very different. Teaching tools will become more complex. The classroom setup will probably change. What we need to teach and how we need to teach will also change. Now, that brings me to what had so often been said before. Teachers are facilitators, not just lecturers. The successful teacher of tomorrow will transform from being just a knowledge provider, but one who fosters creativity, curiosity, empathy, as I've said before, helps children ask the right questions and then wait for the answers. The teacher of tomorrow will necessarily have to be a student, as I told you earlier, a lifelong learner. So upskilling is not just a good to have, but a must to have at this point of time, because you are talking to a generation which has information in minutes and attractive information and immediate information. So for you to be relevant, you need to be tech savvy.